Good morning and happy Sabbath to all of us. We are coming to you live. Makaigsuunan, this is my first time to do a live broadcast. No, it's a sweet return for me to this place. I literally grew up in this place, house number 6 down the road. For 19 years, makaigsuunan, kagabi nilibot ko sa compound, akong nakita nga dako og kausaban. Ang panalangin sa Ginoo makaigsuunan gaawas-awas. Dili ni tungod sa isa ka tawo or sa atuang mga leaders, but by the power and grace and blessing of the Lord. Karon mga kaigsuunan, we are celebrating 10 years of music. Pulo katuig panimbaya sa kabutagon. I make it a habit, although not regularly, and I have to admit this, Brother Johnster, I really want to wake up early just to check on the broadcast, the telecast. But once in a while, I get to check the program, and mind you, I'm telling you, if you just make it a habit, makaigsuunan, you will be encouraged to do about God's work. When you wake up, first thing in the morning, listen to the songs. Listen to the message. Now, gitagaan kog pipila ka mga minuto, akong giingnan ni si Brother Johnster, unsa ka kung mo overtime ko ani, makasab-an ta ani diri nga bisita ra bata. Ano? Akong nakita makaigsuunan ang panalangin sa Ginoo sa ato ang media ministry. I remember growing up during the 80s and 90s diri sa compound. Wala mi TV. No television. Kay sige magkajuas ang ako ang amahan. Maunang wa gyud intawoy ikapalit og TV. Sige kog kabunalan kalatusan makaigsuunan nganuman magsige man kog adto sa silingan. Sige tan-aw TV kay ang TV adtong panahon na ako na lang gini Pastor Rowen Katoliko. If you are watching, thank you. No, salamat kay imo jung gipatan-aw pero permi ko latuson sa ako ang kay usahay gahi mangitag ulo. Pero why TV? Nagka-TV mi college na ko. But right now, if you look at the survey, in the year 2022, last 2022, they made a survey, a consulting data company in the Philippines made a survey. There are 27.2 million households na ay television set. Ug na ay mga, in the same year, na ay 90 plus million ka Pilipino gatanaw og TV. Pastor Resbon. Now, we have now the Hope Channel. Daghag pagbag-o sa kalibutan, daghag pagbag-o sa ato ang kapaligiran, no? Pero I would like to share to you the writings in Evangelism, page 105. It says, and I will read, if you can check it by yourself later. Means will be devised to reach the hearts of others. Some of the methods used in this work, there are methods used to spread the gospel. It may be different from the methods used in the past. And we must learn to adapt. I'm paraphrasing, but we must learn to adapt to the times and the changes of the times. Evangelism 130. Allow me, friends. We must take every justifiable means of bringing the light before the people. Even the advertising of our work. Pastor Hesbon, muna ako ang pinakasuod nga barkada nga naa na sa ato ang division karon. Ako siyang istoryahan ingko. Nagstorya mi kagabi ni Brother Sanes and Brother Johnster. 25 years ago, ang ato ang voice of prophecy, gina-record pa nato diri sa ato ang second floor sa ato ang union. Gina-record para ipadala dito sa stasyon sa siyudad, i-play. Ang broadcast sa radyo, gina-record. Pero karon, we are doing it live. My friends, I will pull out some numbers and try to imagine how vast the mission field as opposed to the media ministry of the church. Allow me. Sa Pilipinas, adtong 2023, adunay naggamit og Facebook. Facebook, 80.30 million ka Pilipino gagamit og Facebook. Wa pa nailabot katong multiple accounts. Katong mga kanang gatago-tago ba? Kanang 5 ka buok ang Facebook account. But 80 million Filipinos ga Facebook. Na ay ga YouTube nga Filipinos sa 2023, 57 million Filipinos. Wa na lang ko giapil ang Instagram o TikTok, no? Imagine this. The mission field is vast. Lapad. Minilyon, mga kaigsuunan. If we can just reach a portion of this and get a market share of the audience para masabwag ang maayong balita, ilang madunggan kung unsa ka maayo ang Ginoo, ilang makita nga naay kaluwasan taliwala sa kalisod sa kalibutan. The challenge is before us now. Unsaon man nato pag-abot aning atong mga kaigsuunan. Dili tanan makaanhi diri sa studio aron makasabwag sa maayong balita. Dili tanan makasaka sa pulpito. Pero I'm telling you, 2 things. Promote and share content. Like, share, subscribe, repost. Ayaw na nang ipang-repost ng uban. We are the Hope Channel, mga kaigsuunan. The Hope Channel is available on YouTube, and we are also on Facebook. All the contents, all the programs are uploaded and streamed live. Share so that you can reach your friends, and don't make it private. When you post, make it public so that a lot of people will get to learn. We will disrupt the algorithm para makita nga naay programa nagadayig sa ngalan sa Ginoo. I will leave you with a text. The only way that we can support earnestly and constantly is through your prayers. Iampo, mga kaigsuunan, ang atong mga leader. Iampo ang ato ang mga staff. Iampo ang atong mga volunteers sa Hope Channel. This is the only way that we can constantly encourage and support them. Because, my friends, in the book of Romans, we should never be ashamed to share the gospel, because this is the message of God, and this will bring people to salvation. Those who will believe, those who will accept, and those who will praise the Lord will be saved. Mga kaigsuunan, let us hold on together in prayer, and let us hope that God will bless us as we continue to serve Him in whatever capacity, and especially here in the Hope Channel, Philippines.